Good morning, kids. I'm Mohana Ravi, your computer teacher. Hope you all are well and fine, safe at home. Be safe, don't come out. If you're coming out, wear your mask. Okay, we are in the pandemic situation now. Please wear mask. Now we are going to learn our fourth lesson. Okay, now we are going to learn our fourth lesson in this video. Internet and its uses. Okay, internet and its uses. This is our lesson 4, which is important for your day to day life, and which is also important for your exams. Okay, for your second term exam, this lesson and the third lesson definitely will come. Okay, first we'll have a small introduction. Okay, nowadays no one is there without using internet. Now you all would be knowing what is internet and how to use it. Everything you would be knowing. You are going to be a master of it. You already a master. Okay, in this net and all. So it will be a added advantage for you to learn more. Okay, so I hope you all will show interest in this lesson, because it is about the internet, isn't it? Huh? Okay, now we'll have a small introduction. Internet is a network of thousands of computers throughout the world. We can get and make information available on internet. It is the cheapest and fastest mode of communication, isn't it? When you are calling via your mobile from here to somewhere, who are your relative who are there in abroad, so how much it will cost, you just imagine. Okay, so the same way, if you are calling them through internet, so it will cost you nothing, or you are chatting with them, so it will cost you nothing. Okay, so in this way you can use your internet wisely. Okay, so what is internet? Internet is nothing but all computers are interconnected. Thousands of computers worldwide, all the computers are connected among one with one. That is called internet. Okay, then getting connected to internet. How to get connected with internet? See here, a telephone is connected with modem is connected with the CPU. Okay, that is computer. So this is how computer internet comes. Okay, to get connected to internet, we need a computer, a modem, and a telephone line. Internet help us to get connected to any other computer in the world through internet service provider. Internet service provider means any company which is giving you the telephone connection. Okay, now Jio is giving, and one more is Airtel, BSNL, everyone. Okay, all are giving, so we can use their connection to internet also. So the service provider who provide you this net connection, for them we are calling ISP, that is internet service provider. Suppose if you are getting a line from BSNL, then BSNL is your ISP. Okay, internet service provider is your ISP. Okay, hope you all would have understood well. Okay, then see here, uses of internet. What and all we can do with the internet, I don't have to tell you anything. You all would be knowing previously what and all can be done with the internet. If I ask you this question in the book, only 3 option is given. If I ask you this, you will be giving hundreds of options, isn't it? But we only these 3 are the main. Okay, internet is useful to us in many ways. You can send and receive messages through internet using email. Email is one important thing. Okay, in olden days and all, if you write a letter and post it, after 2 days or 3 days only they will get, and sometimes they don't get also. Somewhere in the middle the letter will vanish of somewhere. Okay, so here it is not that. Just in one single click, the next minute the email will go to them. Okay, so this much of faster it is. You can make conversation with your friends and relatives staying far away through internet using chatting feature. Okay, that is you can chat with your friends and families who are there very far away, okay, who are there in abroad and all. You can chat with them. Okay, you just imagine, as I told you previously, if you are calling them through your mobile with your cell phone or through landline, it will cost you too much. It will cost you too much. Okay, that is called as IST, international calling. Okay, but if you are doing it through internet, if you are chatting with them, okay, if you are chatting with them, and there is one more option called VoIP, VoIP, where you can talk to them also through internet. Will cost you nothing. Okay, will cost you nothing, only the internet charges will come, that's it, which is very very cheapest mode. Okay, then one more is you can search for any information on any topic around the world. Now if I want a doctor nearby my location, or if I want a nice hotel nearby location, or if I want a multi-speciality hotel or anything nearby to my location, so anything can be searched with the internet. The internet will search and give you whatever you want. Okay, whatever you want, just you can nowadays even we can ask and get the information with the Google. You have a mic setting, just click on mic and talk, immediately it will give you the information. So anything, any information you want, you will get from the internet. Then you can also do video conferencing using internet. Video conferencing is nothing but a Zoom class only. See how nicely we are doing. We are all together connected. A teacher and the students all are connected, isn't it? How nice it is. These are called video conferencing. Our Zoom class is called as video conferencing. Okay, you can sit at home and buy any product by using online shopping feature in the internet, in the Amazon and all, Flipkart and all. We are placing orders. No, these are called as online shopping. Through phone itself we are seeing the product, and we are seeing the rate, and we are by just a single click it makes our shopping done. Or else we have to walk and go, and we have to roam around, we have to check for 3-4 shops, and if you don't get any product, you have to go another day or to another shops. Okay, but now it is not like that. Worldwide, anywhere from the any place you can buy any product. Okay, in this chapter you will learn how internet is used in email, online shopping, and for searching information. This is what we are going to see. Okay, the first one is email. Okay, what is email and how it is helpful? It is the cheapest and quickest mode of communication to your friends and relatives in any part of the world. Electronic mail is similar to the ordinary mail that you write and post. In ordinary mail, all you need is a postcard or a letter and the address of your friend or relative on the envelope, and the relatives on the envelope. Okay, so in the postcard, if you are writing a letter manually and you are posting it to your relatives, of you all would be knowing, or because those are all became extinct now. No one using those postal and all. But telling you, postal card was there, or a card you have to write information, whatever, I am fine, how are you and all, they will write, and on back of the card they will have a address portion. So we have to write the address. Okay, we have to write the address to whom the card should be reached. Okay, their address. Okay, to address we have to write, and we have to put the card inside the post box. Okay, the red color box will be there. For every street almost we had a post box. Now the post box also became extinct. Okay, now this is how the thing. But here the same thing only, instead of writing to address, we are going to type the email ID of the receiver. Okay, If you are sending a letter to me, you should be knowing my email ID. That's it. If you know my email address, then you can send a letter to me. Okay, this is that much simple. And in the previous days, if you post a card, after 2 or 3 days only it will go and reach. And if you are doing it for foreigner, okay, who staying in abroad, okay, it will take 10 or 15 days also. But here it is not like that. Wherever across the world the receiver may, in a fraction it will go and reach. This is the beauty. Okay, similarly in email you need an address which is called email ID. If you want to send communication, you must know the email ID of the person to whom you are sending the communication. You can write your message and even send your photos attached from your email ID by just a click of a mouse. You can also attach a song and video file in your email and send it by click of a mouse to your friends or relative. Okay, not only the information, you can also send your video, you can send files, or you can send any songs, everything you can send through email. Okay, hope you all would have understood the usage of email. Okay, then online shopping. This is like Amazon and Flipkart and all we are using, no, the same way. Online shopping can be done by sitting at home using internet. You can buy anything that you want from anywhere in the world by choosing the product you want from the different product list. After choosing the product, you have to place an order to the seller or the net or on the net by paying the amount. With the help of the credit card, the product gets delivered to you in a day or two by courier. Okay, that is by simply sitting at home, you are choosing a product and you are placing the order. How you will pay? Through your credit card or your debit card, or through internet banking also we can. Okay, as soon as you pay and you choose your product, immediately in a day or two the product will be couriered. Okay, this is how the online shoppings and all work. Then searching information. How you will search any information? In internet we can search for any information about people, place, job, etc. with the help of search engines like Google and Yahoo. For example, if you want to know more about early men and their civilization, you can just ask by typing a few words similar to it on any search engine to give you information on early men and their civilization. You will immediately get a list of websites providing information on your topic. Websites are similar to books with many pages that contains information of different topics. Okay, so anything, any information, as I told you, for searching a doctor or searching some good hotels or searching for some other products. Okay, everything, it is very simple and easy. For studies also it will be very helpful. For a particular word, if you don't know the meaning, you just type and ask, immediately you will get a meaning. Or if you want to have a translation in any other language, now I want to know the meaning for this particular word in Korean language or in Chinese, Japanese language. So anything, it is impossible. Immediately it will give you the translation. The same way the Google the same way as I told you, the Google works. Okay, so these are all the books. Okay, every information what you are getting, every from the site, every site is called is like a book. Okay, a book gives you information, here the site is giving you information. That's it. Very simple to understand. Now we have covered the entire lesson. Now we are going to see our book back exercises. Okay, we are going to see our book back exercises. The first exercise is network, fill in the missing letters. Fill in the missing letters. Our first question is network. Okay, NETWORK, network. Then Yahoo, YAHOO, Yahoo. Then the third one is internet, INTERNET, internet. Then the fourth one is engine, ENGINE, engine. Then email, EMAIL, email. Okay, this is our first exercise. Then the second exercise is fill up the dashes. Internet is a network of thousands of computer. Okay, internet is a network of thousands of computer. Email is an electronic mail. Email is an electronic mail. You can make conversation in internet using chatting feature. Okay, chatting feature, we can chat with anyone. Google is a popular search engine. Okay, Google is a popular search engine. The equivalent engine, other engine is Yahoo. Yahoo is also very popular. Online shopping is a concept of buying anything through internet. Anything through online, through internet, if you are buying, becomes online shopping. Okay, this is our second exercise. Then now we have come to the third exercise, that is third one, that is answer the following. Okay, answer the following. What is internet? Internet is a network of thousands of computer. Internet is a network of thousands of computer. How will you shop on internet? We can buy anything from anywhere by simply at home. Okay, but just simply at home, just by using internet through online sites we can buy. Okay, so we can buy anything from anywhere by simply at home, just by using internet through online sites. Then up to this your lesson has got completed. Okay, up to this your lesson has got completed. These three question answers alone you write in your classwork. Okay, only the question answers you write in your classwork. No need to write the other exercises. The rest other exercises has to be completed in your textbook. Your textbook should be filled with full information. Okay, textbook you have to finish with all information. Only the question answers you will write in your classwork. Okay, only the three question answers you will write in your classwork. That's it. Okay, hope you all would have understood what I am coming to say. Okay, and your exam, say term 2 exam comes shortly. So for the term 2 exam, this lesson 3 and 4 is important. Okay, these two are important. Hope you all would have understood what I am coming to say. Okay kids, now it's time to leave. Okay, go through this video again and again to get a better clarity. Okay, to get a better knowledge. Okay kids, now I'll take leave. Okay, bye.